What's up, YouTube? Back with another unwrapping. Finally back. You know, was in quarantine for a while. Back at it. Skipped a month package, but we back with another one. So this is for December. Honestly, forgot what I even got. So this is gonna be real deal first time. You checking it out. Hope all y'all been good since last unwrapping, unboxing, whatever you want to call it. So I see the bags. Looks like we might be having some Menlo. All right, so we got two Menlo. Melrose is what I was trying to say. Let's check it out. So first we got the crew neck, all gray. Man, okay. One of my favorite colors. Obviously, I got it on right now, but that's like a soft. Hey, I feel that material is crazy. It's like a soft crew neck, basically. Oh, that go up, but it's kind of like, check out that neck. I need to see how it fit on me, but check that neck out. Like it's not your average crew neck. But yeah, that's a large. So I know in camera probably look like a 3X or something. It's a large. So see what else we got. The packaging though, the packaging is what's big about that, you know, like just throw them right back in the bags if you want to. All right, so I got great sweats. We know the joke about that, but so look like we getting a sweatsuit for winter. These feel pretty comfortable. I just gotta feel how see how they fit. Then I'm good to go, you know. But let's see anything else in here. Also, for the Christmas shop, we got sweatsuits. So that's what we're dealing with. Last month, did I open that package? Yes, I did. So I didn't do the video, but looks like they gearing up. They gearing up for winter. About to close it down, beginning of the year. Probably do some fit stuff. You know, I've been rocking strong with them for all year. So just hope y'all are being safe, being good for the holidays. All right, y'all. So camera set off on the last one. Memory problems, you know what it is. But yeah. So like I was saying, if you need any, if you interested in getting a subscription, let me know. I'll put a link down in the description for you to get a discount. Looks like they're going live for Christmas, you know, but you know, I'll take it. You know, a little sweatsuit, comfortable. You know what I mean? That's how I like to be. You know what I mean? But hope y'all being safe. You know, looking forward to that E40 versus Too Short versus tonight. Man, yeah. Talk to y'all later.